Posca Brothers was started over 65 years ago by my grandfather, and then my father and his brother took over, and I'm third generation now to run the laboratory. And we specialize in removable prosthetics, which are dentures and partials. I believe our success was by always trying to innovate and give our clients and their patients the best kind of materials that we can offer. What really motivated us to get into TrueDent and use stratasys for our laboratory was being able to expand our laboratory without having to be limited by our capacity internally. The unique features of TrueDent that we see is the ability to print in multiple colors on one single build plate that with other printers you really can't offer. It gives us the abilities to grow and expand our business without having to have multiple machineries. The first week of us printing, my father was looking at the printer and he couldn't believe that for 45 years he was doing everything by hand. The J5 and TrueDent material gave us an expansion of who we can reach to. Dentists that want to have printed dentures or milled dentures, they love the idea behind it and they love the look and the characteristics of this denture. It's really changed our business model. It's impacted us exponentially because it's changing our insight and our thought of how we're going to be moving forward.